if you ever smoke again, you're going to jail for a long time. You understand? I am also making it a condition that you get a job. Go to Amazon. All you need is one leg and a partial heartbeat to get a job at Amazon. Get a job, or you will stay with me. Do you understand? Start paying child support, or you will stay with me.
I'll tell you what I can.
That's not good enough. What you can means nothing. That baby still needs to eat, not when it can eat. It eats 3 times a day, Mr. Espinoza. Come up, Mr. Espinoza.
I talked to him briefly about the test. He said he should be good in the next couple of weeks.
No, he told me the last time, yesterday, in fact, that he had smoked like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Isn't that right? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When was the last time you smoked dope? No, I want a date because I'm going to test you. And I want to know because I asked you yesterday to be honest with me. And if you test positive, I'm going to put you in jail. You told me that you had done it a couple weeks ago. I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt because of your arrest was a couple weeks ago. But I want to know because I ordered you to stop smoking dope. And if you did while you're on bond, you're going to stay with me. So I want a date. You get with Kavita. I want to know because within the next week and a half to 2 weeks, I'm going to test you. If you test positive, you'll end up staying with me. So talk to Kavita and let me know.
Thank you, Brother.
Thanks.
My case was actually over a month ago, and
We'll talk about your case. Okay, we'll talk about it.
And that's a bad thing for you. Mr. Espinoza, I would get back into school so you could learn something. Because right now, you ain't got no. Tell me.
499562.
Talking about homeboy?
Yes, we're still waiting on a rip, it looks like, from the state. And he's gonna need probably at least 30 days to pass the drug test, considering it's been a week or so.
When was the last time you smoked weed?
Last week.
Come up. Come up. Did you get a day?
Exact date, but about a week ago, Judge.
I'm going to end up picking a date if you can't give me one. If you can't give her a good date, I'm going to pick one for you. The last time you smoked weed. And let me make something abundantly clear to you. If you ever smoke again, you're going to jail for a long time. You understand? I am also making it a condition that you get a job. Go to Amazon. All you need is one leg and a partial heartbeat to get a job at Amazon. Get a job, or you will stay with me. Do you understand? Start paying child support, or you will stay with me.
I'll tell you what I can.
That's not good enough. What you can means nothing. That baby still needs to eat, not when it can eat. It eats 3 times a day, Mr. Espinoza.
Hey,
Get a job. So, what date are we coming back for him to take a drug test? A week ago, I guess he said, right? So, today's the 23rd, so let's just assume, I guess that's the 16th.
Probably May 16th would be fine, Judge. That's a Thursday.
Kavita, what day did you say?
May 16th? Unless you want to do like a 2.
1, 2.
And I'm hoping that we can get this case resolved.
I will give you that day. Any day that you ask. You are going to come here on May 16th to take a drug test. Your butt better be clear, because if it's not, it ain't going to go well for you. It's just I'm also going to have you come back in 2 weeks to prove to me what you've done to get a job. If you've done nothing from now to the next 2 weeks, say bye-bye. Take a seat.
Can I ask you a question?
You'll talk to me out there.
To prove that I'm actively looking for a job, can I like show me applying and,
You can give that to me.
okay.
You got
Leader,
pizza hut
she
walk.
can help you, but I'm telling you, go to Amazon. They hire just about anyone. If you put your heart into it, you can do damn near anything, Mr. Espinoza. That's all it takes is a little willpower and a little go-getter attitude. That's all it takes. I'm not asking you to split the atom.
Commissioner Alexander Storvald.
Okay. Great to see you.
I know, good to see you.
Been a while,
I
huh?
know.
We sent him for a test.
Yes.
Yes, judges presented for morphine.
Morphine.
Judge, he broke his arm and he's on Tylenol with codeine and he got out of the hospital March 28th and they had also given him stuff there. And we do have a prescription. So I don't want you to be upset about that. You can be upset about other things, but not that.
How long? Because they don't give that very much now at all, if ever. Are they giving these kind of... So I'm going to test you like crazy to ensure that you're not using. I'd like a copy of the prescription. I want to know how many pills there are so that we know how long he's taking it. Because if he's testing positive for weeks upon weeks, then it's unacceptable. If I find that you're using, if I find that you're using alcohol, if I find that you're a danger to my community, I only have one place for you. Do you understand? I will do everything in my power to protect my community at all costs. I don't care who you are. I don't care what color you are. Do you understand? So he gets tested weekly from now on so that we know how much he's using. You have a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with her. If she tells me she can't get a hold of you because you're playing games or you pick up a new case, you're not allowed to drive. Do you understand? If I find that you drive, that would be the absolute worst, and you're looking at a possible contempt charge. You understand? Okay?
Judge, if I could ask one thing, I wasn't here for bond conditions and he's got an ankle monitor.
So, right. It was cramped, so he's not using alcohol. I put a GPS on him so he's not out in the middle of the night. Because I don't want him out in the middle of the night as well.
Okay, so it was just, he works at a mall and he sometimes closes at 9. So it's just 9 to 6. I was just saying, could we make it 10? Because if you close, okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Judge.
Good luck.
King Sir Aibo. Good morning, sir. You were charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you.
Officer dispatched to a disturbance call. Officer met with the complainant who was married to the now defendant. The defendant had been drinking in the evening and started an argument with the complainant. And while complainant was sitting in a chair, he pushed the complainant and scratched her arm, causing pain. Officer noted the complainant had a small cut on her arm.
Mr. Aibo, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or dope, you will go to jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand?
No, right, Judge.
Okay. Do we know if she wants to have contact with him?
No, we haven't had successful contact yet. There was one attempt about a week ago.
Okay. I don't know if she wants to have contact with you. So until I know that she wants to talk to you, I'm ordering you not to have any contact with her. I'm also ordering you not to be in possession of any weapons. It looks like they didn't do a MOAB. So I'm entering in what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Victoria Aibo as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. You understand? If you violate this court order, the state can and will file a violation of a protective order against you. And that's one of the worst cases that you can pick up. Tell me, what do you do for a living, sir?
Warehouse leader, civil logistic.
How much money do you make a month?
It depends because right now our hours is short now, so we're making 35 hours. So I'm going home with $560 a week.
So you make around, give or take, $2,000 a month.
Yes.
You have any children?
No.
Can you afford a lawyer, sir?
At this time, because
Let's do this. Let's do this. I want you to go out there. I want you to start looking. There's a gajillion and one lawyers in Harris County. It's a matter of you getting one, like buying a car. You don't go to a Ferrari dealership when you first start buying a car. Same thing with a lawyer. You go to one, you find one within your price range, negotiate with them. 99% of them will put you on a payment plan if you ask. Negotiate with them. Don't take them at first blush. If they say no, go to the next one. If you have any issues, just come back and talk to me and then we can go further. All right?
well, mention, my wife, I'm the one who take care of it. She don't want to work, so the bills, I'm the one paying everything. So
For now, until I know that she wants to have contact with you, I just don't want it. I don't want it to happen. I will have them later on reach out to her to see if there's contact. Also, when you have a lawyer, the lawyer can come and approach and then we can talk about modifying the conditions. But I want to honor her wishes. That's my first concern. And I don't know what she wants to do with you. Okay? So for now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. After that, I'm going to have you take your seat in the jury box while I get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it and then you'll be free to go. All right?
Right this
Please.
way. Counsel, do you have